Hi everyone, welcome to Velvet Spectrum family once again. Those who are new to this channel, I am Drishti Chhabra and I will be very happy if you take some time out and subscribe to my channel below. When starting up with the decision to take sketching, it can be very confusing because there are different types of brands and types of pencils available in the market. But don't you worry, I am here to guide you in this video and I will explore most of the known types and brands of pencils which you all can consider, and I believe that it will be really helpful for you. So let's start. So there are several drawing pencil styles, and let's start with the first one, which is standard drawing pencil. So drawing pencils come in varying brightness values when HB is the most standard value. The H value stands for basically its hardness and indicates how hard and light the pencil is. And the B value on the other hand stands for blackness, and it indicates how soft and dark the pencil is. For an instance, a 3B pencil will be darker and softer than a 2B pencil. So you have to note out that pencils with high degree of softness tend to break faster. The lighter grades will begin with the H values until HB and then the B group for dark pencils. Now we have a tip for you. So that is, graphite is very soft and has a single brightness value. The different grades in pencils are different amounts of clay added to the graphite. Do you know that clay makes the pencil more harder? Harder means that the pencil lays less graphite particles on a paper sheet and therefore it looks more brighter. We can reach the same brightness value with different grades of pencils by drawing softer, adding pressure or adding layers to our darker value. So I would like to recommend to all the viewers these pencil grades 4H, 2H, HB, 2B and 4B. These are more than enough to have a full range of brightness values. So here is an example of me drawing almost the same brightness value with different pencil grades. Now I would like to recommend drawing pencil brands to you. So my top 3 choices. My top choices are pencils that I use for any type of drawing or sketching material. So the first one is Staedtler's Mars Lumograph. You all must have heard about this, who all are related to this art field. Highly recommended. These are very durable, high quality pencils, suitable for any task, and the pencil grade is clearly written on all sides. I use the Staedtler for all my commission works or any other sketching works. You can easily get these on Amazon, which has a very fast and quick delivery. My second recommendation is Castell 9000, another top quality choice. Well, we all know that Faber-Castell is the largest pencil manufacturer and also one of the oldest one. I prefer getting these pencils from Amazon. These are also available on Flipkart and many other sites. I have mentioned the link of these pencils in my description box. After you finish watching video, you can order it from there. So my third preference is Tombow Mono drawing pencils. I must say that these pencils are very nice and have a nice balance between precision and softness. They are quite dark and their precision require a very gentle touch. Artists who are experienced enough will surely enjoy these pencils as their main drawing pencils. The best quality which I like about these pencils is they come unsharpened, and they also exist as a set including the excellent Mono Zero eraser. The best part of this eraser is that it gives an extra finish to our sketching, and it is exactly like adding a feather to our hat. It plays a very vital role in one's sketching, and moreover this set is available on, we can easily get this from Amazon. There are a lot of things to tell you guys, there are a lot of more pencil types and brands, but I believe this much is sufficient for now. Either video will become too long. And lastly, I would just like to discuss about how to safely store or carry pencils. So I use a Derwent pencil case, which is easily available again on Amazon store. It is made of thick and strong fabric. I'm sharing the picture in the video, and it has a very flexible, not to damage the flexible fabric, which is not to damage the sharpened tip of the pencils. And any roll-up case from thick canvas is a good solution. You can search for many of them. There are many types available on Amazon. So many pencil brands provide a strong metal case when buying a set also. And I keep these cases for storing my pencils. So now it's time to end the video on a very happy note. So you know that pencil drawing is a craft that can be learned, and for some artists it is a solid basis for their craft. Creating different brightness and values is one of the characteristics of pencil drawing. And it is always advisable to use several drawing pencils with different lightness or darkness degrees. It's very easy, I believe. It's just playing with different brightness level and different grades. So now that you all have understood something about pencils, and I believe I have given enough knowledge to you, now coming on to the next part. We all know that the world is three-dimensional, but our drawing paper is two-dimensional. So to create the 3D illusions, I would definitely make another video on same, and I'm also planning to do something on erasers as well, and provide you with enough information on types of erasers available, types of other supplies available. So let's meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe, stay at your place and follow all the COVID guidelines. Thank you so much.